Let's dive into the features. HostGator offers a variety of web hosting services, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. WordPress is primarily a content management system, but it also offers hosting services. It's known for its website building tools and plugins. AWS, on the other hand, provides a wide range of cloud-based services such as computing power, storage options, and databases. It's not just for hosting websites, but also for building and managing complex IT infrastructure. Next, let's talk about pricing. HostGator has a reputation for being affordable, with plans starting as low as 2.5 per month. WordPress has a free version, but its premium services can cost between $4 to $45 per month. AWS follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which can be cost-effective if you're using it for large-scale operations. However, for smaller projects, it can become expensive. User experience is crucial when choosing a hosting service. HostGator and WordPress both offer user-friendly interfaces, with WordPress being renowned for its ease of use. AWS, however, has a steeper learning curve. It offers more complex services, making it ideal for experienced IT professionals rather than beginners. Integrations can greatly enhance your website's functionality. WordPress shines in this area, with over 55,000 plugins available. HostGator also supports integrations, but not as many as WordPress. AWS, being a cloud service provider, integrates with a vast number of third-party applications and services, but requires more technical knowledge to set up. Performance can make or break your website. HostGator provides a 99.9% uptime guarantee, while WordPress's performance largely depends on your hosting plan and plugins. AWS is known for its superior performance and scalability, with multiple data centers worldwide ensuring minimal latency. Security is a major concern for any website. HostGator provides free SSL certificates and protection from DDoS attacks. WordPress has robust security features, but it also depends on the user's actions, like keeping plugins updated. AWS offers advanced security features, including data encryption and firewall protection. When things go wrong, good support is essential. HostGator offers 24/7 support via live chat and phone. WordPress has a large community for support, but direct help depends on your plan. AWS provides extensive documentation and premium support at an additional cost. Weighing all factors, the winner is AWS. It excels in terms of performance, security, and scalability, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Despite its steep learning curve and potentially higher cost, its advanced features and integrations are unmatched. However, for beginners or small-scale users, WordPress and HostGator are still excellent choices. Thank you for watching our comparison of HostGator, WordPress, and AWS. We hope it helps you in making an informed decision. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.